ever wondered what makes a home historic? Is it the age, the architecture, or maybe the stories that live within its walls? Stick with me, and I'll break it all down. Plus, if you're thinking about buying a historic home for the first time, I've got a huge insider tip that could save you thousands of dollars and help you avoid some serious headaches. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So what does it mean for a home to be historic? In the United States, a home can be officially deemed historic if it meets the criteria of the National Register of Historic Places. Here's what they look for. Age. The home must be at least 50 years old. Integrity. It should retain much of its original design, structure, and character. Significance. This could mean the home is tied to a notable person or event, was designed by a renowned architect, or represents a unique style from its time. But let me tell you, there's a difference between a historic home and just an old home. A historic home is a masterpiece, like an original work of art that tells the story of its era. What truly makes a historic home special is the craftsmanship and detail. Picture this: hand-carved wood moldings, custom ironwork, and materials like mahogany, marble, and stained glass, all done by artisans. These homes weren't just built, they were created. Every beam, every tile, every window tells a story, and they were made to last, often with materials you simply don't find in modern construction. But here's the thing, owning a historic home isn't just about the aesthetics. It's about stepping into a piece of history. When you live in a historic home, you become its caretaker, preserving it for the generations to come. So why do historic homes matter? For one, they're a connection to the past. They remind us of how our communities grew, how people lived, and how styles evolve. Owning a historic home is like owning a piece of a time machine. But it's not just about looking back, it's about building the future. Historic homes often sit in vibrant neighborhoods where communities come together to preserve their shared history. These homes aren't just properties, they're legacies that enrich our lives today. Alright, and here's the moment you've been waiting for. A huge tip for first-time historic home buyers. Ready? Do your homework on tax incentives and grants. That's right, there are programs specifically designed to help buyers of historic homes. For example, many states offer tax credits for restoring and maintaining historic properties. Some cities even have grants for things like roof repairs or energy-efficient upgrades, so you can keep the charm and make it modern. And here's the kicker. If the home is on the National Register of Historic Places, you could qualify for even bigger benefits. But, and this is a big but, make sure you understand what restrictions come with these programs. Many historic districts have guidelines about what you can and can't change, so you'll want to know the rules before you dive in. If you're working with an agent who knows historic homes, like me, of course, we'll make sure you don't miss out on any opportunities or fall into common traps. So what do you think? Are you ready to own a piece of history? Whether you're dreaming of a stately Victorian, a charming craftsman bungalow, or even a mid-century modern gem, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Visit experiencehistorylovescompany.com to explore available historic homes and learn more about the buying process. Or better yet, give me a call at 248-568-6030 and let's start your journey together. Because every home is a story, let's make yours part of history.